Sometimes our rush to help isn't about love at all. It's about ego, the secret thrill of being the fixer, the savior, the one who knows better. But helping without being asked can turn into control. It disrespects the other person's journey, their timing, their dignity. The Gita teaches us that compassion isn't interference, it's patience. Sometimes love is stepping back, trusting life to teach the lesson you cannot. The most powerful help often comes when someone finally asks, because that's when the heart is open, the mind is ready, and the advice becomes medicine instead of noise. Think of Krishna. Think of Krishna's silence, not neglect, but respect. He honored Arjuna's freedom to struggle, to stumble, and only then to learn. That's not coldness, that's wisdom.